Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to play with some fun things, Emily Moore Designs. It's my first time using most of these products. As you've seen an unboxing that Emily Moore Designs sent me. And so let's get started with these necklaces that I cut out, one with rose gold. And now we're going to stencil, and we are using the Simply Diamonds stencil, and I believe I'm using a different one that I used last time. I will link below or put what video was last from Emily Moore Designs that I did, and my unboxing as well if you didn't see that. And so this is Tattered Rose Distress Oxide ink. I think it's a pretty pink, and I was going for light. Since we're doing rose gold, I kind of wanted it to tie in together, pink, like a pink gold card for this birthday, a card that we are making. And this will be an A2 card. I'm using some cream colored cardstock, and it's 110 pounds, I believe. And so just trying to get in the little holes there. This one has little dots, actually not holes. And I'm just trying to get in there as best I can. So it's very dainty, and as well as this necklace is very dainty, which is really pretty. So what charms should we use? I'm thinking that heart, and there's two different hearts in this set. I was thinking the stitched heart at first, but I'm gonna go with a different heart. So I love all the different options in this die set. It's such a pretty set, and so I highly recommend checking out Emily Moore Designs. I will put her link down below for you. And I don't have an affiliate link, but I wasn't sure she has an affiliate link program, but I will still link everything below for you. So using the rose gold, this is glossy rose gold cardstock from Simon Says Stamp. I'll link that for you below as well. It's really pretty, running it through my die cutting machine right now. And then so we will have the heart and the butterfly, and I think I messed up the butterfly's wings, or not wings, his antennas. So I will run it again, or maybe it was my die cutting machine, I'm not sure, but I wanted it to look a little bit nicer, so I'm going to run it through again. So I'm going to put together this necklace, and just adding a few charms here, and gluing the two butterflies together, and then we'll glue the two necklaces together. I ran this through again because I wanted it to be a little stronger, just to have two glued together makes it a little more stronger. Even three probably would have been even better, but I think two is pretty good looking at it right now. And so just using liquid glue, I think that's a little easier than using a tape runner. But if you want to use a tape runner, then whatever is comfortable for you. For me, liquid glue is a little easier. And now I'm trying to just put on the charms on the rings there. And I love that all these dies come with rings, and it's easy just to clip them onto the chain. And it's so fun. I love the way that looks. Even if you just did the heart, it's really pretty. And these sentiments that from Emily Moore Designs are so fun. We have special kind of charm that we're going to use, and those ones are like, you are my lucky charm, you have a way of making things better, you've always had a special kind of charm. So they all have like a charm in it. You are so charming. So fun. So putting this butterfly on now, and I just love that. I do love rose gold. I have a rose gold laptop watch. You see my tool there. So rose gold. So that's why I have this rose gold cardstock as well. So I thought it would be fun to use the initial, and guess what initial I'm going to use? I'm going to use a V. But I'm not saying this card is for me. So I'm going to look through the initials here and find the V. There's also another charm set I have. It's the vowels. So I'm looking, and I thought I seen it and then I didn't see it. So I'm glad I have these containers to, you know, put some in and kind of find that V that I want. Of course, it would have to be the hardest one to find. So if it was for me, for Von Marie, like, I think it would be really pretty. I would love to receive that. There's the V. So yay. So run that through. Ran it through with the rose gold 2 times, and we'll be gluing that together. The only one I didn't glue 2 times is the heart, and I don't know, but it seems pretty sturdy, so I'm going to leave as is. Okay, so just grabbing the rings and clipping that on, and very easy just to add it to the chain. And I was going to add it in the center, but the other 2 I already had on there and I didn't want to remove them, so it's okay, the V at the end. So really fun. I love that, even if you did like all different colors, but I love how dainty, and I don't know, I just love it. Rose gold here. So 2 sentiments we are choosing. So we're gonna add, you've always had a special kind of charm, and then we're gonna put let me see, I think we're putting, you make even the little things shine. And I wasn't going to put 2 sentiments, but since there was space, that's why I did the 2 sentiments. And I'm going to grab some gold ink and my stamping tool and try and get those on there stamped. And I'm just using some gold ink from W+9. I love this ink. It's called Old Gold, and I think it's just really pretty. I don't know if I have a rose gold ink or something that would look like rose gold, so gold it is. At least it's gold with rose gold. And I didn't get a good stamping impression on the first one. I kept trying, and I might just fill in a couple letters there, but it ends up being okay. I think I just stamped it too far in the upper corner there, but that's okay. So I'm going to glue this necklace onto this card panel. It's at 4 1/4 by, or it's by 4 by 5 1/4, this panel. And it'll be glued to the A2 card base, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And just trying to glue. I wanted to glue the rings down so that these charms do not, you know, we don't lose them. some exciting news. My friend is having a baby today, so I'm super excited, and I cannot wait to meet our meet her new baby. So excited. I was gonna say our new baby friend, but and just we can't wait to meet the new baby. So I'll be working on a baby card. And gotta go shopping for a new gift. Okay, so cutting off the end there, and I think it's so fun, and I thought, why not stamp the inside? And it's with all the happy things, and it's gonna say it's your birthday. And so fun. I love this card. And so glue the panel. There's that extra piece of charm or necklace that I'm going to add in the inside of the card. So that chain did not get, even the scrap piece got used. And just using my bone folder, securing everything down. Okay, so we'll stamp the sentiment inside, and I thought of something. I thought of adding a smiley face charm to the inside of the card. And with that leftover rose gold, we're gonna use it. So, yay! And so there it is. It's your birthday and the smiley face and charm. So isn't it pretty? So I hope you grab these products and make something. Thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.